So hi guys, I'm probably not gonna be able to do this till tomorrow. Oh my god, guys. Hold on, give me a second. So today, guys, I'm gonna prank my friend George, into making him think that I dyed my hair green when I actually didn't. Like, I'm gonna have the camera facing the other direction on the FaceTime call, but basically, yeah, I'm gonna make her think that I dyed my hair green. I've been talking about doing it in school a lot, and yeah, let's see how he reacts. Might not be able to do this till hold on, guys. Okay, so the first step is to find my iPod, get my computer set up to find it, and we're gonna extract the noise and track it down. I'll see you guys then. Okay, so my iPod looks to be at the house, so yeah. Oh! Did you guys hear that? I think it's nearby. Maybe it's in this. Alright, guys. Oh no! Oh my god. Did he seriously hide it from me? Hold on. There it is, guys. And now it's time for the prank. I'm calling him right now, guys. Might not pick up. Please pick up. Please pick up. Please pick up. Please pick up. Aw, man. Guys, looks like we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to do this, but I'm not gonna end the video here. I'm just gonna cut ahead till tomorrow after I'm home from school. And yeah, see how he reacts. Oh god. Okay. This is gonna be really hilarious. Alright, so hi guys. So it is now Thursday. Yesterday, it kind of didn't work out with the prank, so because he didn't pick up, but I'm gonna call him again. I had to wait a day. Yeah, so let's see how he reacts to me fake dyeing my hair. To me telling him that I dyed my hair. See you then. As you saw yesterday, I had to find my iPod, but let me just turn it on, go to login. Yeah. Wait, did he call me back? Okay, guys, let's see how this goes. Doesn't pick up. I text him saying that I have something important to tell him. Hold on. Guys, I'll be right back. Alright, hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna call him again. The previous 2 days that I recorded this, he kind of didn't pick up, so hopefully he... Oh, low battery, hold on. Hopefully... Oh, God! Here. Okay. Just staring at me. Okay, hopefully he picks up. Oh, yes, yes.
Alright, what's this important, crazy thing that you gotta tell me?
Okay, so, I've been talking about doing this for a while, and, you're gonna see something different about my hair.
You did it?
It's the same. You're on a video, dude.
What?
I pranked you. This was a prank.
I thought you were gonna have, like, your wall colored hair.
Yeah, but I was just joking, dude.
Lucas, there's actually an app where you can, like, draw color on your hair. And you can, like, prank your whole YouTube channel that you have, like...
Well, thanks for telling them that, because I'm recording right now.
You're recording this?
Yes!
My hair looks so bad.
Well, if I told you I was recording, the prank wouldn't be good.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Well, bye, dude.
Alright, bye.
Guys, I honestly think you would fall for it. You didn't even know I was recording. And the kind of stuff, but, you fell for it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took me 2 days to make, and, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You fell for it.